my lovely Biotonians. आज मैं आपके लिए एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक लेकर आई हूँ. How do you score more in one subject in biotonic subject, that is biology. Biology can be your shield, can be your sword in the examination, and you can like really light up 360 on 360 on fire performance कर सकते हो आप लोग. You can score well in bio. I will give you 5 tips by Vani ma'am, super amazing 5 tips by which my students have already scored 360 on 360 and you too can. Tip number 1, in bio, if there is just one thing which is most important, that is revision of NCERT again and again, because questions do come from this book. इसके बाहर से भी आते हैं, but questions do come from this book, and therefore it is very important to also revise things again and again. How will you revise things? If you have excellent notes. So whatever you are studying, from whichever source you are studying, if you think it is going to be forgetful later on, which most of the times it is, because bio is a theoretical subject, make notes so that you have this last 1 week, last 10 days manual ready with you, which you can revise again and again to score well. Bio is about memorization. Memorization is about mnemonics. Memorization is about mind maps. Memorization is about flowcharts. So please make these mnemonics which you make. Don't copy mnemonics from XYZ ABC source. मुझे आज तक वो mnemonics याद है जो मैंने बनाए थे. So if you really want to score well in bio, you need to make your mnemonics, your mind maps, your flowcharts. It's really going to help you. Number 3, Vani ma'am on V Biotonic is going to do the cheat sheet series once a week, in which I'm going to do all the 38 units. So please don't worry about it. मैं आपको सब कुछ दोबारा करा दूंगी. But cheat sheets जहाँ पे आपको साइंटिस्ट के नाम, बुक्स के नाम, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो ऑफ बीट है, ऑफ ट्रैक है, जो भूल जाती हैं. अगर आपने बायोटॉनिक में सिर्फ चीट शीट वानी मैम या चीट शीट बायोटॉनिक करोगे, आपको कुछ चैप्टर्स की ऐसी चीज़ें विच आर प्योर थ्योरेटिकल, जो एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट समटाइम्स वी टेंड टू फॉरगेट. दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट यू रियली नीड टू रिमेंबर. In bio, it also helps if you do a lot of previous year questions. Why, you may ask? I'll tell you a very simple reason for the same. Because in biology, so many times certain question comes off beat, and because it is theoretical subject, आप कितनी ही theory पढ़ लोगे. So अगर आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा MCQs solve करोगे, it will really help you sometimes to catch 1 or 2 of those facts, of those off beat questions जो एग्जाम में बहुत आते हैं. और जितने ज़्यादा पेपर सॉल्व करोगे, हर पेपर में आपको 1-2 ऐसी ऑफ बीट चीज़ें तो मिल ही जाएंगी. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, बायो इज अ सब्जेक्ट ऑफ एक्सेप्शंस. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम एग्जामिनर विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस ऑन एक्सेप्शन. सब कुछ सेम है, कोई एक प्लांट स्पीशीज अलग है, सब कुछ सेम है. एनिमल बॉडी की एक बोन में कोई स्पेशलिटी और कोई एक्सेप्शन है. और अगर आपने ये चीजें याद रखी एंड यू मेक एन एफर्ट टू राइट देम डाउन ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर समवेयर, यू मेक अ नोट, यू सॉल्व एक्स्ट्रा पेपर्स, you will get a seat. Bingo, it will be. So don't forget this. Don't forget to attend our classes on V Biotonic every single day, 3 times, 10 a.m., 5 p.m., 9 p.m. And we promise you, we are going to score 360 on 360 in the examination. Don't forget to become a part of Vedantu Biotonic. Make sure that you're liking, sharing, subscribing, solving papers, joining pro membership using the code VDPro, or the NEET ka crash course using the code VDNEET. Take care. Lots of love. Bye.